How to make money on Fiverr. Yes, you can make money on Fiverr. It is more than that. You can build a career on Fiverr and make better income than you may on a regular job. And you can be in Nigeria, India, South Africa, United States and any place in the world and work with Fiverr. Are you talented, or skillful in a special way? If yes, Fiverr is a good platform you can make money every day. You might have been to Fiverr.com and had no idea of what to do on the platform, and you are left wondering how people make good living on it. All you need is information, and that is why we are making this video to help you. To make money on Fiverr, first, decide on what skill to market on Fiverr. Make sure it is a skill you are good at and can deliver within the shortest time possible. Once you have made that decision, create your own account and your gigs. Gigs are like packages that describe what you are offering to people. After you have successfully created your gigs, the next thing you need to do is to make your gigs feasible for buyers to patronize. Here are some clues about the services you can market on Fiverr: freelance writing jobs, website copywriting, video editing, SEO services, Twitter and Facebook help, marketing help and guide, online tutorials, graphics and art design, audio and voiceover, product reviews writing, article and website writing, and many more. You can offer any of the above services on Fiverr. Internet users search for services on Fiverr for their business and other needs. After finding any, they pay a minimum of $5 for a service that you provide. From that you will receive $4 to your PayPal or Payoneer account from Fiverr. Once you have built good reputation and reviews, you can offer premium versions in your gigs. It is possible to earn even more than $1,000 per job done, depending on what service you are offering and your efficiency. In creating your gig, think of new ideas, use a catchy keyword, offer tons of value. When you browse through the platform, you can see what top sellers are offering, and create a similar gig with better incentive. Once a buyer finds your gigs attractive and place an order and you execute it, it's important to note that the work will not mark as complete, as the buyer is given 3 days to review. After approval, you will wait 14 days to be able to withdraw your fund. And finally, after the completion of the order, buyers can rate your service just under your Fiverr gigs. These ratings can help you to build customer truth, and you probably will get more others if you have more positive ratings. The buyers can as well tip you for a good job. One major challenge with Fiverr business is that you have to be regular online, as your response rating attract buyers and late response affects your gigs. You have to avoid late delivery as much as you can if you want to be successful on Fiverr. Follow good work ethic and adhere to terms and conditions, then you can be successful and make money on Fiverr. Check link in the description of the video to register to Fiverr and start making money now. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.